Hello everyone, I am Dr. Yash Thakkar. I have completed my MCH Plastic Surgery from AIMS New Delhi. I had keen interest in aesthetic surgery training, so I embarked my journey of aesthetic training in here in Chennai Plastic Surgery Clinic under Dr. Karthik Ram sir. Well, it has been a transformative journey for me. Dr. Karthik sir has his own ways of teaching aesthetic surgery in very friendly manner. He put emphasis mainly on the minute details of the techniques, the patient approach, and the ethical practice. Whenever we think about fellowship, what we think first? Hands-on, right? So I think I have got decent hands-on that has given me confidence to go and practice aesthetic surgery on my own in private setup. Karthik sir has made sure that I learn to treat patient in holistic manner. I have witnessed good variety of cases and got opportunity to assist them like abdominoplasty, liposuction, body contouring, breast reduction, breast implants, facial aesthetic surgery. I had good opportunity to witness the cases variety like face fat fill, chin implant, facelift, Botox, fillers, and everything. Apart from academics, this fellowship has empowered me to learn how private practice in plastic surgery works, how to do marketing, and all the things. The staff at Chennai Plastic Surgery is just amazing. From operation theater staff to clinic staff to marketing team, everyone is so adorable and caring that you won't feel like you are away from home. They help in each and every aspect of your fellowship, like managing patients, finding books, to having a coffee. Overall, I had memorable experience and learning journey here in Chennai Plastic Surgery, which has provided proficiency and confidence in me to go and work as an aesthetic plastic surgeon independently. Thank you.